Hey guys, Priscilla's here. Priscilla probably made like some cameo appearances in my older vlogs, but Priscilla is one of my best friends from Pecos Bill at my first program. And Priscilla has invited me tonight to see the cast member preview of Happily Ever After because it's coming back. So we're going in, and we're excited.
Hello there.
Hi, welcome to another magical adventure. It's a rainy day here
Rainy
at Epcot.
adventure.
Yeah, it's a rainy adventure here at Epcot.
Good morning from Animal Kingdom.
We're gonna get something to eat. We don't know what, so it's edible. It's edible. Wow, wow, wow. All right, we're walking in. We're parked, we're walking into the TTC to get on some form of transportation to get over to the Magic Kingdom for tonight's cast preview of Happily Ever After, titled Homecoming Ever After, because it's the homecoming of fireworks here at Magic Kingdom. So again, thank you, Priscilla, for inviting me to this exciting event. I'm pumped. Magic Kingdom right here on Main Street. Priscilla, you excited to be here? Yes! Alright, we're gonna try to get some food. We're gonna try. It's really fun! Yeah, we're here on the Hub Grass.
Because I am in awe of the fact that you've been able to accomplish so much under very difficult circumstances.
Well, it's a little dark.
And to be able to
really
continue
nice.
to
The Hub Grass, we got a good spot. We're excited.
memorable, magical experiences day in and day out, despite ever-changing protocols.
11:15, 15 minutes till
It's just a
showtime.
testament to how great you are.
Tons
So I
of
just want to
cast
say
members here.
thank you, thank you, thank you.
All over Magic Kingdom.
Just show the crowd.
Hello, Magic Kingdom. My name's Steve Burns, and I have the distinct pleasure of being part of the engineering services team.
Tonight, I am so pleased to join you as the first audience to see a nighttime spectacular in the Magic Kingdom in 15 months. Our entertainment team is putting the final touches on our show as we speak. So in just 5 minutes, you've heard that recording, in just 5 minutes, I invite you to look to the future, look to the stars, let's reach out and find our Happily Ever After!
Are you ready, Priscilla? It's almost time, guys. Happily Ever After. First time in 15 months.
And they all live happily ever after. friend, never had a friend, never had a friend, never had a friend, never had a friend.
Changed by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly. We can fly.
After 15 months of without nighttime spectaculars at Disney World. They're back.
We're back.
It was amazing. A little emotional too, right? Oof.
Too much. It was great.
Holy mackerel. I mean, it was awesome. It's been an awesome night here. Thank you again to Priscilla for inviting me out tonight. And yeah, it's awesome. And nighttime spectaculars are back, guys. So come visit Disney World. Come see Happily Ever After, Epcot Forever. And as more things return and becomes more normal, it becomes more and more magical every day. Well, we're gonna head out because it is late, but it was magical. So until our next magical adventure, we will see you all real soon.
She was in a really big hurry too. I feel bad for